I mean, what do I gain? So please, you people should go there and go and make your inquiry, and nobody should come to my DM to say trash. Do not, because if you send me any threats, oh my God, it's not even going to be just Instagram. It's not.
Umba, you get one woman whether they call Linus Umba. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, make sure you subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. This life, maybe they talk with our eye reach. Waiting our eye reach, now we're supposed to they talk. Some people too they lie. Some people too they lie, like seriously. You get one woman, my darling people. Oh. This woman, when Mercy Johnson pikin complain say a teacher they maltreat her for school. When Mercy Johnson go there, go ask them. One woman just jump come and say, "We will not met Mercy Johnson." When Mercy Johnson reached the school, he insult all the teachers where they there. She was too rude. She was too this. People can't even believe this woman, my darling people. No, he said this woman was lying. Now Mercy Johnson can't see the write up where she writes. Mercy Johnson can't run, go school, go ask them, say, she can't even do video. Join them. I go put the video, but not listening, oh. She can't do video. Say, Mercy Johnson lie. She is too rude. Then Mercy Johnson can't go back to the school, say, I beg, but not vex. When he come to this school just now, he shout for now, he insult to now. They say no. But this woman can't lie. Say Mercy Johnson was too rude. She insults people. She do this. Now, wow, this life no balance, eh? This life is not balanced. This woman now don't do another video again now for apology. More na listen. If I put the one she fair do and the one which she can't apologize. More na listen, my darling people. Some people are wicked for this life. Pray me person whether they believe in what may not pull life for your head. And this woman just lie. More na listen.
To try to harass my sister, does she know her from Adam? I don't understand. And you are coming here to tell me nonsense. Please, nobody, be you my friend, be you my enemy, don't come to my DM. If you don't have anything sensible to tell me, do not come to my DM to tell me to keep quiet, because I would never keep quiet. If you were my mother, I swear, Mercy would have seen the last, she would not have seen the last of this case. The woman, she is not my sister, she is not my cousin, she's nobody to my family. But before she even became somebody, she was a human being. So she shouldn't be treated like that. She should. Every day we talk about women supporting women. The same woman went to was dragging her by her clothes in front of her students. What rubbish is that? And you people think it's okay because she's a celebrity. She's your role model. She can do whatever she wants because she's your role model. Nothing she could do because she was under oath with the school. She cannot fight a parent. She cannot fight a parent. She cannot say anything. She did not utter a word. And all of you that are playing dumb, I hope it happens to you. I hope somebody will take because of their position to try to trample on you. I hope it happens to you. I hope it happens to you. I said it. I hope it happens to you. So that you will know how it feels for somebody because they feel they have some money in their account somewhere to come and talk down on you. I hope it happens to you. As I was saying, the lady stood there and she was just crying. Literally, she did not say a word to the woman. Yesterday when I spoke to her, she said, I'm very happy she did not touch me because I don't think the grace of God would have helped me to not hit her back. But she Igbos would say, oh wrong way and Allah. She embarrassed herself to me. I have no reason whatsoever in this world to hate Mercy. She's not feeding me. She's not giving me money. She's not doing anything for me. She's just acting. Anybody can go out tomorrow and act and become somebody's role model. So you people should not be primitive with your thinking. Think ahead. That's why you people, you Nigerians will continue to be in bondage because you worship your celebrities. You cannot see the wrong that they ever do. You can never see it. Primitive thinking, that is it. That's all I came here to say, oh. So a problem with what I've just said, go to Christian VGC and go and ask, go and make inquiries if you think I would have any reason to change story. Or the grace of God held that woman, because normally we women, we know ourselves now. You cannot be talking me, and you came up this morning to bring a narrative of bullying your child. Is your child the only celebrity child in that school? Uche Lendu has her children in that school. Mimi Ojekwe has her children in that school. Why are her children not being picked on? Since you say your child is being bullied, why is it only your child? This is not the first time somebody is coming out to come and address you on this your character, and you're still saying that your child was bullied. How? We as human beings, we should actually, sorry, let me drop this phone. We should actually, as human beings, try to reason. Sometimes use your brain to think. Don't think from your ass. Use your brain to think. What does the woman have to, what does she stand to gain by being antagonistic? Or I mean, what do I gain? So please, you people should go there and go and make your inquiry, and nobody should come to my DM to say trash. Do not. Because if you send me any threats, oh my God, it's not even going to be just Instagram. It's not going to just end here, because you cannot send me any threats and get away with it. Is it that something will surely happen, because it doesn't work that way. I'm sorry, honey. It doesn't work that way. Okay? So that is what I came on here to say. So anybody that has an issue with it, you either go and make your inquiries, or you shut the fuck up. Don't come to my DM and tell me nonsense. Do not come. If Messi is your idol, if you worship her, go to her page and go and worship her. Don't come to my page and worship her. Okay? Do not
try. As you were announcing on microphone, she was crying. I said, what happened? She said, Mommy, that teacher. No, she said, Mommy, can I change school? I said, no. I had a video of her. I interviewed her also, so I can explain to you what happened. So guys, I'm just saying this because I don't have... Sir, you were there yesterday when this issue happened. Sorry, sir, you were there yesterday. Please, sir, did I come with talks to this school?
Talks? No.
Are you hearing that? Did I fight anybody in this school?
No.
Did I see the principal, the headmistress yesterday?
No, the head teacher
was not on seat.
Just stepped out.
Thank you very much, sir. When my husband came, did we come with any talks?
No.
Okay. Are you hearing that? It's because people don't know. Somebody went online and said I came with talks and I beat up the head teacher because we have money. No. That's what I'm saying. That's the hate.
No.
You don't know the truth. You will not keep quiet, and then you start to lie. On my honor as a mom, people don't know.
Good evening, everybody. The events of the past few hours has been very traumatizing for me, and I just came on here to apologize to Mrs. Mercy Johnson Okuji. I was misinformed and I didn't have first-hand information of everything. I believed what I saw over what must have transpired before ever I got there. So, and I based my judgments based on that. And I'm very sorry for whatever issues I may have caused her family, and whatever trauma I must have caused them throughout the whole of today. I really hope she finds it in her heart to forgive me. And I've been receiving several death threats. I've been receiving several death threats in the past hours, and it has been very disturbing for me. And I just came on here to say I'm sorry and to ask everyone to please take it easy on me, because my mental health should be paramount to everybody. And I'm very sorry for all that has happened. I would next time try to be more informed and not base off my judgment upon what I just see at a scene of any incident at all. I have great love for Mercy, and I would never wish her bad. I would never wish her children bad. I have great love for her, and I just want everything to please end, and everybody to please just calm down. I know I'm in the wrong and I shouldn't have done all I did, but I'm very sorry. Mrs. Mercy and Mr. Prince Okoje, I am very sorry for all the troubles I've caused you today. I am deeply sorry. I was misinformed and I based my judgments on what I initially saw at the school. I'm very sorry for that. I hope you find it in your heart to forgive me. Thank you very much.